लेजेंड्स होते हैं ना, उनसे कुछ भी बात सुनने के लिए आई थिंक हम सब डांसर्स तरसते हैं। एंड सुधा जी, अगर आपने कुछ नहीं बोला सो इट भी आप हमको पैसा छोड़ देंगे।
आई थिंक डांसर को कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि जब हम डांसर्स परफॉर्म करते हैं वी कम्युनिकेट विद एन a personality that is much above this space. I think that's why I always feel art is divine, and I think Sandeep, you're doing such a wonderful job. In fact, मैं वही कह रही थी, I should be learning a lesson or two from you, because I've always seen Sandeep performing in the western form of dance, but आज जो platform you have given for classical, different forms of dances, I think हम जैसे dancers को कुछ तो सीखने की ज़रूरत है. We should be starting something like this, and keep dancing and keep walking, and thank you so much, Sandeep. Good luck to you.
माई ब्यूटिफुल मेघना नायडू, यू नो हम लोग कुछ महीनों पहले एक कंपटीशन साथ में जज कर रहे थे, और मैं हाफ साउथ इंडियन हूँ, इन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. थैंक यू सो मच मेघना फॉर कमिंग. थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग दिस.
Sandeep, you're doing a brilliant job, and thank you all for coming here and appreciating dance. मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगी, यहाँ स्टेज पर आके परफॉर्म करना बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. यहाँ पर परफॉर्म करने के लिए स्पेशली बहुत दम लगता है, बहुत हिम्मत लगती है. So can I please have a big round of applause for all the contestants backstage? Thank you.
I'm mesmerized. I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless. I think they're all wonderful, and with the best one win. You know, dance. You know, whatever I've seen you dancing, I've learned from you. You always wanted to dance. I'm still dancing at your tunes. Well, thank you for having me here, and I wish you all the best.
Sandeep is a beautiful human being. I have met him a few months back, and We totally hit it off at the first go. I really love him as a human being. He's a brilliant performer. Everyone knows about his choreography. Everyone knows about him being a choreographer and his dance styles. He's beautiful inside and out.
You know, all the popular dance numbers, all the items have become so famous.
Yeah.
And all the silent songs are not so popular as
आप क्या बोल रहे हो यार आशिकी 2 में और
Still, I mean,
there's so
talking-
many slow songs that you want to cry also and they become so famous.
How do people cry in it? People cannot enjoy that song as well.
Arey, what you're saying? And parties and all that, they remix it and they enjoy it, na? But yeah, item songs are very famous because obviously they are the tadka of the film. Without an item song, movie is adhura these days. So, and of course, add an item song and with an item song and to an item song, you can dance.
You know, one explosive, Sunny Leone is catching the eyeball. And
Yeah.
So what do you have to comment on it? Is she superior than other Bollywood actresses as such?
I wouldn't say that she's superior because obviously we have a lot of other actresses who have been in the industry for so many years now. But of course, she's a beautiful girl and she's done very well for herself. So kudos to her.
No, the question was talking about her dancing skills. We the all, you know, right now they see.
I think even Sunny knows that she is not a very good dancer, but it's not about the dance. It's about how much preparation she's done for it and how she's performed with so much confidence in front of the camera. It really takes a lot of energy and stress to be in front of the camera performing the way she did.
And dancing is an inherited talent, or you know, you can learn it by time and.
I would say, like for me, if you ask me this question, I have always been a dancer. Since I was a child, I always wanted to dance. I always wanted to be on stage. I always wanted to perform. So for me, it's been, you know, it's been something that I have never had to learn, but it was always in there. But yes, dancing is something that you really need to polish. कोई भी उठ के मतलब ऐसे खड़ा नहीं हो जा सकता मतलब you have to learn it the proper way. जैसे हम स्कूल जाते हैं and you know you educate yourself, that's how you go to a dance school and learn dancing.
And lastly, what do your future project?
Phoenix Market is supporting this cause.
Yes.
What do you want to say about the Phoenix Market?
Well, we are at Phoenix Market City supporting this Dance India Week and you know we are really excited to be here and they're supporting dance and what more we could ask for, dance all the way.
And talking about your future projects, kindly tell us.
I'm working on Kya Cool Hai Hum Part 3 and also I'm doing a Marathi film with Om Puri ji and Manoj Joshi ji. So I'm very excited about it because Kya Cool Hai Hum is a comedy film, as everyone knows, it's an adult comedy. But the Marathi film that I'm doing is political based, so you'll definitely see me in a different avatar altogether.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks.
Well, it's great being here today, this evening at Phoenix Mill, Kurla. more so because it's the India Dance Week, and all the more it's because Sandeep Soparkar is organizing this show, and I've never had the privilege of dancing with Sandeep, though I've been a great fan of his, and it really adds a lot of values because he goes into a very different form of dancing. But it's so nice to know that all the other forms of dancing have also been bought into this entire thing, and dance as a whole, as a totality, is being judged today, and it's wonderful because if you go to see today, in every house you have at least 3 or 4 kids who are dancing. So dance is an integral part of our life today, and it's such a wonderful thing that we're actually giving so much of importance to dance. And thanks to Sandeep and his entire team for organizing this wonderful event, and I'm so happy to be a part of it today.
To make a mark in a creative field, be it dancing, I think it's more challenging as compared to other.
Well, yes, because dance, is something that requires a lot of dedication, a lot of time, a lot of commitment, and I think it's very important that people who commit to dancing have to give in a lot of time of their personal life, and also a lot of their personal pleasures have to be sacrificed. So it's very important that once you are prepared for this, then you take the next step is dancing, and once you're into it, my personal view is that dance is something that connects you to the Almighty. It is something very divine, because when you're performing, you just tend to forget what's happening around you. You just connect to the Almighty, and then I think that takes you on to a very different level.
Thank you.
Thank you.